Yes, we made it to Thorpe, Wisconsin, and we're at the Thorpedo that was established back in 1965. So the way I told Susie is I was born in 1964, so they knew that some little kid would need a really cool place to come and eat pancakes. And so they came up with this place, which is really neat. Now we're going to be doing a number of things during this premiere, and we'll start by giving Theresa and Tim some gifts that they won. I always do impromptu contests. And, oh, look at that. They're pulling the ribbon together. This is cool. We did not plan this, folks. We did not plan this. See what kind of goodies are inside.
Really good here.
Susie tied the knot. If you need to cut it, I've got scissors.
Actually, yeah. Good job tying.
She used to have a boat, so I think that's part of it.
Watch your fingers.
You just cut the whole top off. Yeah, it doesn't matter. We're not going to recycle it.
Yeah.
Excellent.
So what kind of goodies are in there? Let's see.
I think I do too.
Guggenheim.
Scissors.
Yes. Guggenheim.
Guggenheim.
I have wanted a pair of those for a while. That is awesome.
There we go.
Yeah.
And Susie packed this, so I'm looking at it. I have no idea what's in there. I think those might be bottles, but I have no idea. Oh, yep, spray bottles.
The spray bottles.
Spray bottles.
Excellent. Thank
Cool.
you. That's going to come in handy.
Oh, I know what that is.
I know what that is. Careful, I hear things moving around. So.
It's riddling rattling.
Yep.
Yes, it is.
It's a mystery.
Look
It's
at
a puzzle.
this.
It's a puzzle box.
Oh, this is beautiful.
Yeah.
Now, the question is, can I figure out how to open it?
You can, but as long as you don't dump the contents, that's the tricky part. This will kind of, that looks like it's hinged. Maybe that's the front. I have no idea.
Oh, there's the.
Oh, there's a little finger thing.
Yeah, there it is. There's the lip.
Oh, here we go.
Between the four of us, we'll get her. We'll get her.
Ah.
Oh my
look
goodness,
At all,
look at that.
Look, those presser feet. And accessories.
Oh, it's going to be fun figuring out how to use them all.
You'll have to have the right kind of machine, too.
Looks like there's
Yeah.
extra stuff in there too. It
I would
does.
take it these are all Singer ones?
Those are probably domestic, actually.
Oh, okay.
I don't know if that's a Singer one or not.
I'll bet you I have a machine that these will work on.
I've got so many attachments. You guys have to come down to Kentucky once we get settled and help Susie and I go through all of them, catalog them, and then you can haul some back up with you.
Holy
Now
cow,
here's the
thank you
puzzle.
so much.
Exactly. Now how can you close it again?
Oh yeah.
Oh, yeah. Theresa, a determined woman, you can't stop her, you know what I mean? It's not gonna, yeah, you can't slow her down. And you can always cheat and just close it part way and put a rubber band around it. You can close it later.
May have to.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah.
So those of you that have been in live streams and premieres, this is the reality. If you participate, if you answer the right question, if you jump into things, you can win all kinds of cool stuff like this. All right, so now the next one, and this is going to involve Tim, so I'm going to clear a space for us.
Okay.
Move the scissors. Actually, you'll need the scissors again, probably.
Okay.
We know that Tim and Theresa are in the process of building their collection, and I recently acquired this one and just got done going through it with Workshop Magic, and we would like to offer it as a gift to our special friends from Thorpe, Wisconsin. Now there's a key on top. You'll have to kind of untangle it, and then you can unlock the side.
Okay.
Yeah, you can just break it free and then untangle her.
Oh, that's perfect.
Susie did make those ribbons. They're quite lovely. Quite lovely.
All right.
And it doesn't really click, it just kind of releases it. You can feel it once it releases. There it goes.
Oh.
And that is called a 99K13.
Wow.
And I got my cheat sheet, if Theresa will help me, I've got my cheat sheet of the year of it, the birth date.
Wow.
We could make all of you work and look it up yourselves, but Theresa's going to help you out this time. And if you want to fact check it, it's the serial number is, Theresa, if you want to read it.
It is AC 675866, May 22nd, 1929.
1929.
Wow.
And this is called a 99K13 because it's operated with a knee controller. This all gets off. You slide it in this little opening right here at the 9 o'clock position. You slide it all the way in and then rotate it down, and then you just push your knee against it to operate it.
Whoa.
That is amazing.
That is amazing.
99K13, one of my favorite machines, actually.
Now,
Thank
who
you.
wins this?
Who is what?
Who wins this?
You guys do. This is yours.
It's a gift to you too.
This is a gift to us too.
You can't.
Yes, absolutely we can.
Yeah. And the thing I love about this, since we're also giving away a featherweight today, the thing I love about the 99K13 is overall bed length. It's shorter than the featherweight because you can't operate a featherweight with the table up. You got to
right.
fold it down. So this is actually more compact. Plus it's portable.
Yeah.
But I have the stretch wrap around there because hinges are not 100% reliable. So I always stretch wrap it. We'll re-stretch wrap it before you guys carry it out to the car, and then you can put it to use.
Yeah.
And it's already had a dose of workshop magic.
I see that. Everything's shiny and
It's
new.
going to still need yours and Tim's touch.
Yeah. And you guys can make it better because constant and never-ending improvement. So you can go through there and find some of the dirt that I missed, or some of the spots that Susie missed when she went over the patina, and you can go,
That's gonna happen.
and then you can send us a note and say, "Hey, pretty good, but we did this and this and this, and now it's better."
Wow. Cool. That is. Well, we'll have to see. We'll have to see some of the projects you're showing on right now. To try this workshop magic and see how.
So there again is the serial number. Y'all can look it up. And we pre-recorded this on Wednesday. You're seeing this now on Saturday, so you can tell us if we got it right. So I'm going to let Tim see if we can get that lid back on. We'll lock it back in place, and then we'll do the unveiling of the featherweight. And the way you put this on, you have to kind of tilt this down, tuck that side in first.
There's a little hinge here.
Yep.
Oh, I see it.
Tuck that in first, and then rotate it down towards Theresa, and then she'll turn the lock. It's a little tricky.
Yep. I got some foam in there. Okay, I think I got it.
It's not seated down here. There it is.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's a little tricky to get that sucker on, and I never trust them completely, so I always pick them up by the bottom, and maybe we can just set it on the ground over there, and then we'll wrap it up again before you guys try to carry it out.
Hold this out carefully,
Susie also made cookies as well, so if any of you love cookies, be really nice to Susie and Theresa in the live streams, and you may get some. You never know.
They will be
You just drop,
gone
yeah.
shortly.
Tim is a cookie monster.
All right, so let's move towards the featherweight now. So let's do this on the side of the table as well.
Okay.
I don't want to knock your water over. And there's an envelope inside. Yep, pop the other one.
Oh.
And give that to Susie. And actually, before we do that, let me see if I can just take the featherweight out so folks can see what they're going to win. That's the foot controller. I'll hand that to Theresa. It's a Centennial featherweight.
Wow.
Quite a lovely little girl.
Yes, it is.
And there's also additional, as soon as you open it up, there's also attachments in there as well. Just going to show a shot.
She is beautiful.
And I've got a little bit of satin in there to protect, because these things will always screw around with the table. but someone's about to win
You've got the LED light in there too, so they'll be ready to rock.
Centennial attachments, a little bit
needle
of
full of
grease.
Nice.
And if I'm not mistaken, the purple grease is Tim and Theresa's special grease.
Yeah.
So that's kind of cool as well. Original book, extra bobbins, and an original oiling can.
Look at that oil can up. That is cool.
Hand it to Tim because Tim wants to check it out.
Let me tell you, I feel like the Tin Man from the
Hon,
Wizard
don't
of
put
Oz
that,
there.
don't put that key on the bed. Yep.
Nice and nice. Do they supply bombs?
So, giving you a little bit of a story real quick on why all of a sudden is the Wizard giving away a Featherweight Centennial machine. Some of you that have been a part of this group for quite some time remember a lady by the name of Sunny. And Sunny lived out in Pennsylvania. She was a retired nurse, and she developed cancer. And as an encouragement, I offered to give her a Featherweight, but I didn't get it done quick enough. I was so busy. And so as she got sicker and sicker, I was trying to somehow get the job done, but she ended up passing away very, very quickly. And we as a family for Cow Country sent flowers to the family and everything, and and she was such a special part of us. But I wanted to fulfill the goal of giving a Featherweight away in her honor and in her memory now. Wow. So this Featherweight Centennial machine is going to be given in Sunny's honor, and I'm hoping that the winner of it, a lot of people love naming sewing machines, and they will hopefully give it the name of Sunny. That's what I was hoping.
That would be
That would be
great.
really
So
cool.
Tim, I'm going to have you hold my phone real quick. I'm going to show a picture of Sunny, if you can show it.
Sure.
Oh, nice. Look at that smile. She
It
was
is.
sunny.
Yes, she was, yeah.
That's Sunny right there. So we are giving this away today in her memory and her honor. And Susie over there is holding the envelope, you can see.
And the winner is...
Let's see, I'm kind of zooming in. The winner is,
The winner is.
and if you want to go ahead and open it up, Susie, let's find out who it
Take away,
is.
Susie.
And you have a real soft voice, Susie, so go ahead and speak up just a little bit.
The winner is...
Should I read the entire note?
Read the entire note. Yeah, absolutely.
Dear Theresa, you mentioned your hope to add a featherweight to your and Tim's and your collection. I hope you guys enjoy this Centennial model. Love, the Wizard and Susie.
Thank you so much.
Congratulations.
Now you have to hold the camera so I can hug your lady. Enjoy this little girl. The princess of singers, as we oftentimes say.
I was looking for that little piece of paper that had the year and the date and stuff on it, and I didn't see where it went.
Hello, Sonny. Welcome to the family.
That little paper.
I put it in with the
And
other
this is
machine.
going to be your new mom, and I promise she'll take good care of you.
This is the Centennial machine, so if any of you want to look it up for us right now, the serial number for Theresa's machine is right here.
That's right. They have these on the bottom, though.
I'm gonna hold on to the, right there.
I do not deserve this.
Ah, okay. I can see it. Ah.
So So if some of you will look this up in the premiere and give us the birth date.
AJE47765, I believe it is. I think they'll see it better on the screen than it will on your
The
monitor.
ladies might be able to see it right now.
AJ 647765.
So y'all can look that up and give us the birth date, and of course Theresa will let Tim sew on this occasionally, maybe.
Maybe.
Well, I've been looking at getting a safe, and now I know the first time I'm going to put it to make sure it stays protected. So
Congratulations.
I don't deserve this. Thank you so much. This is too much, you guys.
All right, y'all. Well, thanks for joining us for this. We would make this premiere a little bit longer, but guess what? We're here to eat.
We're here to eat.
So Susie's got her, stuffed French toast? I don't know what Theresa and Tim are going to get, and I've already got my eye on some of that sausage stuff that they have here as well. So God bless everybody. I'll let the gang say goodbye.
take care.
And we'll see you again soon. God bless.